Díoghuit agus fáilte go dtí sláinte agus Laethanta Saoire. Ceart go leor, sláinte agus Laethanta Saoire tá muid ag fécint inniu. Cad is sprí le Laethanta Saoire? Well, mar hampla thuí mé go dtí muo mo Laethanta Saoire le mo Hailech. nó thuí mé go dtí an Spáin an bhliainte caite le mo Hailech. An aimsir áisteanach, Rocky mé go dtí muo nó Rocky mé go dtí an Spáin. Sin an aimsir áisteanach. Ceart go leor, thuí mé aimsir caite, Rocky mé aimsir áisteanach. Ok, intaní fáilme. Iver a hain by tiiscint níos fear a gum an aimsir áisteanach. Bríomhar rialta agus neamhrialta. Tiiscint, understanding. So I'll have a better understanding of the aimsir áisteanach. Iver a dó, by folklore a gum a bhaineann le Laethanta Saoire. Ceart go leor, so by lán folklore nua a gut faoi Laethanta Saoire. Agus iver a trí, scríbhí mé riamhphost faoi Saoire san aimsir áisteanach. So by tú i caint faoi Laethanta Saoire agus by tú i ag Rocky mé go dtí an Spáin nó Rocky mé go Gaillimh mar hampla. Iasí mé a lán bí a jazz. Ceart go leor. Ok, leanróid go dtí tasc a hain. Tasc a hain. Leathan agus quail. Okay, leathan agus quail. Definitely noticed in the last assignment, guys, that we need to just be very clear on our leathan agus quail, okay? Because that is going to be very important in the aimsir áisteanach when we're talking about what ending we should be using, okay? So, réimnú a hain, A-O-U, an gutta déarnach, okay? The last gutta, the last vowel would be an A and an O-R-U, okay? So, mar hampla, tóg, can, all. Okay, so tá siad leathan, so therefore we'll use those leathan endings, F-A-I-D-H. Mar hampla, tógí mé, I will take. Okay, quail, E-I, gutta déarnach. Sampla, ca, kick, fill. Agus, san aimsir áisteanach, what will that look like? Fillhí mé, F-I-D-H, I will return. Ceart go leor, réimnú a dó, A-I-G-H, agus gá thiolla, I réimnú a dó. Sampla, tosig, banig, ulvig. Tosig, to start, banig, to greet, ulvig, to prepare. Okay, so, tosóí mé, I will start. Agus quail, I-G-H, sampla, airig, dúsig, deisig. Airig, to get up, dúsig, to wake up, deisig, to fix. Agus I róí mé, I will get up. Ceart go leor, E-O-I-D-H. All right. Anna Tasca dó. Agus, by the way, scríb isteach sa chópléir. Scríb é sin isteach sa chópléir, okay? Tasca dó. Ceistena. Bríomhar rialta. Okay, see what you can do here. Do as many as you can. All right. Few options here. So what you can do is do as many as you can. Agus scríb an múci tú an lampa. An múci tú an lampa. Will you turn off the lamp? Okay. You can write the Gaeilge agus an Béarla, or you can just give it a go, but then you will have to translate the ones below. Okay. Just do as much as you possibly can here. Obviously, the more you do, the better. Okay. Do as many as you possibly can. There's no reason why you shouldn't be able to do all of the ones in Clochta C and Clochta E. I expect everyone to have those done. You might have one or two tricky ones in Clochta D and Clochta F, but we want to see 100% effort being put in there. Okay? On a what? Okay, Lanaroig, scríomh isteach sa cópléir, so seo na bríomhre neamh rialta. Okay, look at how different they look. They have different spellings. They don't follow the rules. That makes them the bríomhre neamh rialta. They're still the same verbs. They're still the same 11. Bear, clush, tar, dain, te, dare, tuair, vai, fec, tá. But they are now, you can see that in the Imshire, áisteach. Bear he may, I will catch. Eat he may, I will eat. Clushy may, I will hear. Chucky may, I will come. Dainy may, I will do or make. Rocky may, I will go. Dare he may, I will say. Tour he may, I will give. Yo he may, I will get. Fecky may, I will see. By may, I will be. Okay, scríomh isteach sa cópléir. Agus ceistena an seo. Okay, so tá meascán an seo, you've some dearafach, dúilteach agus ceisteach. Okay, so féach siar an seo. We'll say dearafach, dúilteach no ceisteach. It's all there. Okay. Okay, gohíntaach. Agus tá léamhhiiscint an seo. Is mis mark. Tá go leor planana a gum don saoire. I mí an bheitheh, Rocky mé go dtí an Spáin. Déanhí mé go leor rudaí ann. Íosí mé tapas agus paella. Rocky mé ag snámh gach lá. Clusí mé daoine ag caint Spáinise. Feici mé na rairc is fearr. By an Imshire go hálan, time cínte de, I'm sure of it. Yoí mé bruntanis yasa de macháide agus tuairí mé dóibh iad nuair a thiocfaí mé a bhaile. I mí úil agus mí lúnasa tuairí mé lámh cúnta de mo bham. I will give a helping hand to my mother. Agus de mo iad in a siopa. Feici mé macháide gach lá. Rachamid ag roithíocht agus ag iascarocht le chéile. Tásúla gom go merimid go leor iasc. Deirhí mé é seo leat saoire den sco a bheith ann. Okay, so tá cúpla ceist an sin. Caitheann a Rocky Mark go dtí an Spáin. Caitheann. Cad is bríd a caitheann. Cén sort bia a íosí Mark sa Spáin. Cad a Yoí Mark sa Spáin. Cad a Yoí sé. Cé dóibh a dúirtí Mark lámh cúnta. Who will he give a lámh cúnta to? Agus cé leo a Rocky Mark ag iascarocht. With who or with whom will he go ag iascarocht? Okay. Okay, so inis task iver a cuig riamh fust. Okay, you are going to see that by looking back here, you'll see that there's a lot of stuff here that you will be able to use in your riamh fust, and there's stuff after it as well. Okay, but this is what we're trying to achieve here. Riamh fust, Laethanta Saoire. Scríomh riamh fust chuig cara leat faoi de Laethanta Saoire. É de riamh fust luig. An áit ina bhfuil tú ag dul ann. So, cá bhfuil tú ag dul, or cá maid tú ag dul. An fad ama a chaithí tú ann. So, cé bhéad lá, cé bhéad seachtain. Okay, how long will you spend a chaithí tú ann? Caithí mé seachtain amháin ann. Mar hampla, I will spend 1 week there. Caithí mé seachtain amháin ann. Cé acu, tá bronnam, cé atá ag dul in éineacht leat. Cé, who atá ag dul, going. Who is going with you? Mar hampla, tá ba mé ag dul in éineacht le mo hailach. Sin mo wami, mo yadi, agus mo grithar. Okay, mar hampla. Cá bhaní tú ann. Cá, where will you stay? Fanhí mé in Óstáin. No, fanhí mé in Airbnb. Cearcalor. An raibh tú san áit seo riamh. An raibh tú. Were you ever there before? Okay, so there's actually a bit of I'm sure chatte in there as well. Okay, bhí mé sa spáin riamh, ní raibh mé sa spáin riamh. Ever. Cad a dhéanfaí tú ann. Cad a dhéanfaí tú. What will you do? Okay, rocky mé ag snámh. Siúlí mé ar an trá. Imróí mé pell ar an trá. Okay, so tá lán rudaí an sin. Cén sort bia a íasí tú. Okay, cén sort bia. And going back to our friend here, Mark, bhí sé a kind faoi bia an sin freisin, okay? And it can be sa Spáin, it can be in Gaillimh, in Éireann, dún and all, is cuma. Doesn't matter, right? So, fécinn seo obair fós le déanamh, gan forimlú, without the formatting, okay? So, ó, chuig, ábhar, agus seolta. You'll see that up ahead. Gan banú. Banú. Cad é banú. Seán a cara, cunas atá tú. Tá mé go híntoch. Okay? Mar hampla. Aspa folklóra. So, lack of vocab. Just giving it a go and throwing a few sentences and seeing what happens with no research or preparation. That would be that. Okay? Níos lú ná 3 pointe eolais. Less than 3 points. All right? So that would be obair fós le déanamh. I would be sending that back to you. Guma, os cion seachta pointe, forimlú agus banú, litrúma, folklór, ag úsáid an aimsir áisteanach. So just using the aimsir áisteanach at all is what we're looking for. Okay. Anawa, níos mó ná seacht pointe eolais. Forimlú agus banú, litrúma, folklórma, an aimsir áisteanach, agus gramadach cream. Good, accurate grammar. Okay, agus sorwa would be fáiriocht. Don't mind that, fáiriocht's pronunciation. So that's an option you can record. I'll talk about that in a sec. Cera faointe eolais déig ar a leid. Gramadach ord caidan, and then of course you'd have everything else that you'd have in Anawa. Okay, so Anawa. Now, for Ulvuchan, for preparation, lay a seo, tá Colleen and seo, fécinn sin, look at all your phrases there. Rocky, mohailach in éanacht lum, fanimid gá heachtan ann. Well, tá neart le déanamh, well, there's loads to do. Rockamid ag snámh gach lá ar nói, sa linn snámha, nó san airige. Bevrálum dul amach in máid ar fear tamil freisin. I'd love to go in a bod, in a boat. Okay, time ag tenu go mór leis an mia idálach freisin. I can't wait for the bia idálach, the Italian food. Easy made pizza agus pasta gach lá. Alright, so guys, everything you need is here and here. Agus an seo freisin. Okay, everything you need is there to do a really, really good. Okay, really good refust. And then, tatu ray. Okay, inish tatu ray. Quig o over. Quig Sean egg gmail.com. O Mary egg gmail.com. Okay, sin do anam an sin. Over Laethanta Saoire. Okay. Dia smiragwit, dia gwit, conas atá tú. Adam an seo. Tá mé ag bai mé ag dul ar Laethanta Saoire. Okay, and then Lanaraig. Away you go. Alright. Bonus fointy. Léamach the ria fust. Okay. Cuireadh seach the ria fust in what you call it, keynote. Agus dain tafad ar sin and record. Okay? Aintach ar fad, gur míle maith agat, slán go fáil agus go nairi leat.